big hair, jangly guitars, and a wave of hits that changed the face of American music forever. The British invasion wasn't just a trend. It was a cultural phenomenon. Today on Musical Deepfake, we're exploring the British invasion, the bands, the music, and how the UK conquered the American charts in the 1960s. Part 1. Origins of the British invasion. The term British invasion refers to the sudden popularity of British rock and pop bands in the United States during the mid-1960s. It all started when the Beatles exploded onto the American scene in 1964 with I Want to Hold Your Hand. Their success opened the door for countless other UK acts. Bands like the Rolling Stones, The Who, The Kinks, and Herman's Hermits followed, bringing a fresh sound that combined rock, pop, and rhythm and blues influences. Engagement question: who's your favorite British invasion band? Is it the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, or someone else? Comment below. Part 2. Musical style and innovation. British invasion bands brought something new to American ears: tight harmonies, innovative chord progressions, and energetic performances. They mixed elements of skiffle, R&B, and early rock and roll, creating songs that were catchy, danceable, and often rebellious. Songs like She Loves You, Satisfaction, and You Really Got Me Worrin' just hits. They influenced generations of musicians and helped define modern rock. Part 3. Cultural impact. The British invasion didn't just change music, it changed fashion, attitudes, and pop culture. American teens adopted the style of mop-top haircuts, tailored suits, and cheeky attitudes. British bands dominated television, magazines, and radio, creating a transatlantic wave of influence that reshaped youth culture. The movement also inspired a new era of songwriting, encouraging authenticity, experimentation, and storytelling in popular music. Engagement question: do you think the British invasion would have been as powerful without the Beatles? Why or why not? Share your thoughts. Part 4. Legacy of the British invasion. Though the original British invasion lasted only a few years, its impact is lasting. It laid the foundation for modern rock, inspired countless bands, and proved that music could transcend borders. Many contemporary artists cite British invasion bands as major influences, showing that the wave of the 60s still echoes today. Engagement question: what's a British invasion song you think everyone should hear at least once? Let us know in the comments. The British invasion wasn't just a musical trend, it was a revolution that transformed pop culture, music, and the way the world experienced rock and roll. Comment your favorite British invasion band or song, and subscribe for more musical deepfake deep dives into the music history you love. Thanks for watching Musical Deepfake, where we bring the stories behind the songs to life.